Grosse gégos là. Pardon, je m'y mets là. Let's go. Bon. On a chialé. C'était très triste. C'est reparti. Mais Invisible Beach est sauve. 19 sur 20 qu'au F15, allez, Psartek, Cruzy.
I'm too old to be crying.
Ah non.
Fuck off. No, you're not. I cry all the time.
Really? When?
When I was your age, I cried for weeks when the Raiders left LA.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
totally the fucking same as
no.
my dad never being home.
Whoa, motherfucker. Language. And it was the same. My pops had season tickets growing up. Seats sucked, but I just like being there with them. So, yeah, when they moved, I was crying like a little bitch too.
Are you saying I'm crying like a bitch?
Yes, bitch. That's exactly what I'm saying. What do you want from the store? Your dad gave me 100 and I gotta break the shit anyway.
Attendez.
He pays you?
Now you're crying, bitch ass? Fuck yeah, he pays me. Now, come on, whatever you want. Just make it less than $20, cause I'm not trying to go broke every time you get lonely.
Can I get a Twinkie?
Hey, cause you're crying, you can have two.
They come in 2-packs.
No shit, kid. I was joking. Keep up.
Chase.
There, bitch. You happy now?
Whoa.
Yeah, whoa. Now you can be sad like 8 more times before bothering me.
I didn't realize you two were that close. That it went
Bah
back
oui.
that far.
Oh!
He was like a big brother to me.
He's alive!
Didn't appreciate it enough.
I'm sorry.
Chase would only babysit nights when Dad had to deal with something big. Working late, he called it. I was fine being alone, but I'd still ask to have him watch me because I could guilt trip him into buying me shit. He never said no. I made him run a lot back then.
Right. So maybe one less store run for bitch-ass Robert and he wouldn't be stuck in here. That's what you're saying, right?
I mean, it was, but now that you put it like that.
Hey, the only person that put Chase here. Pending the investigation, Invisigal suspended. Obviously, but I think you should consider cutting her from the team. I'm not saying you should. I'm just saying you should consider it.
I'm worried something like that might just make things worse.
Yeah, it's just... I can't help but think that we've already cut a hero for far less.
We had to send a message.
That's kind of my point.
Just gets better and better.
Comment ça, on va pas virer un Visigirl, hein?
Vending machine?
Whatever I want.
He's so fucking proud of the man you've become.
Pendant ce temps, Cruzy flex dans le chat en disant qu'il a eu un 22,5 sur 5. GG. Oh. Bah oui, c'est un responsable, il le faisait beaucoup courir. Petit courait vieillissait. J'ai dit 22,5 sur 5. Sur 20, pardon. Mais non, don't be sorry, Cruzy, c'est drôle. Ça serait vraiment abusé sur 5. Non, non, t'excuses pas, Mister Cruzy, ça me fait rire. Oh, Waterboy. Oh. Un Sweatboy.
You okay, bud?
It's just... I'm just mad.
Yeah. I'm a little mad too.
I can't. It's not fair. Invisigal was the one who... And then Chase shouldn't have...
Hmm.
Do you think he did the right thing?
Oui.
I mean, I don't... It seems very not clear. Or unclear.
I think Chase knew he was the only one who could save her, and he knew the risk.
Hmm.
So yeah, I think it was ultimately the right thing.
Hmm. Allez, faut pas qu'il coince. Ah.
Case in point.
Ah. Mais Waterboy, il t'arrive quoi? Il a dégoupillé, putain.
Feel better?
Kinda. I'll clean it up.
Ah, putain, faut retourner bosser avec tout ça.
Hey,
Et oui, le crime ne s'arrête jamais.
you've all
Il doit y avoir des
probably
chats à
heard some
sauver.
version of
Wesh,
what happened.
Great Teacher Onizuka.
Let's get to it. Main takeaways are that
Chouille
Invisigal
excessif
has
ici,
been
ouais.
suspended, so we're a person down the shift, and that
Elle est
Chase is
suspended?
in the infirmary, and he's in pretty rough shape. Despite his disposition, he really likes you all.
Chilling on
Just
the
don't tell
moon.
him I told you that.
Light the moon, c'était
I've
toi?
found doing something good always helps when
De
I'm
fou.
feeling
Rien à foutre de ta
bad.
dépression, de ton presque deuil. Au
We're
boulot.
fortunate to have that opportunity. Something Chase never took for granted. So, let's get to work.
Allez. Ah, il m'aurait bien fallu. Oh, il pleut. Et en plus, il pleut. Ah oui, j'ai mes amélios. Ah, Smartman. Super smart. Pas que j'oublie, j'ai ces trucs là aussi. Hein. Mais j'en ai qu'un. He's a smart guy.
Hey, we've got a fuck ton of beached whales off the coast. Could really use some help getting them back in the ocean.
Prenez une douzaine de baleines de 25 tonnes. Ok. Moi je propose qu'on envoie Golem et Phenomenon. Ah mais Golem il est cool avec... Avec qui? Ah bah c'était avec Invisigirl. Attends. Non. On va mettre Golem. Pourquoi non? Ah zut. Ils sont en synergie tous les deux ou c'est son pouvoir? Non, c'est son pouvoir. Allez.
Upchuck's rugby team lost, and he's throwing a very toxic
Ah merde.
tantrum.
Recourir à la force. Putain. Taper, hein. Ah, Golem, il est trop déprimé. Ah non, il peut pas y aller parce qu'il pleut,
I think
peut-être.
the rain caused one of those Volta Virtue cars to short out. I think this driver's lost control.
Le Golem, il pleut, je pense que c'est pour ça. Alors, je sais pas trop. Merde, merde. Ok. Oh. Ok, ça c'est locked. Bien. Gauche, droite, gauche, droite. Ah, j'ai qu'une utilisation par truc. Ok. Gauche, droite, gauche, droite. Ah, c'était droite, gauche, droite, gauche? Oh, on perd du temps, bêtement. Gauche, droite? Oh, gauche, droite, droite, gauche, mais quel débile. Gauche, droite, droite, gauche. Ah ouais, non, il est trop long, faut que je le bute. Ok, 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 ok. Mais merde! Allez, il est où le temps, là? Allez, 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 allez. Putain, j'ai... Allez, viens. Allez. Ok. Les Marseillais, le golem, il peut pas sortir sous la pluie, oh! Perturbation. Ouais, assomme-le, hein. Normalement, ils ont assez de force, ils sont au max. Ouais, c'est bon. Ok, je vais pouvoir la médio. Tapez! C'est quoi déjà? Pourquoi? Qu'est-ce qu'il... Après une réussite, gagne plus 1 en combat et plus 1 en mobilité. Et il vole. Réussir 2 fois fait passer le combat et la mobilité de flambeau au niveau maximum. Et supprime le temps de repos. Après un échec, tout repasse à 0. Ok. Allez. Ah, fallait de la vigueur. Ah, fallait du bouclier pour traîner. Ok.
Golem?
Bah, qu'est-ce qui t'arrive, Golem?
Shitface, I think he's about to piss mud on the high school.
Il est bourré. Oh non.
Come on, buddy. Spit it out.
A lot of vomiting this shift.
Golem, I get it. I want to get shit-faced right now more than anything, but we got a job to do, and I need all of you to just hang in there until the end of the shift. After that, you can do whatever the fuck you want. Cool? Can someone please go get Golem before he does more property damage?
Oh non, protéger Golem de ses propres démons et le ramener au SDH. Allez. Ah, attendez. Calmer les civils. Du coup, on va mettre elle. Charisma. Et Malevola. Non. Non. Attendez. Voilà. Merde! Non, c'est bon. Flambeau, c'est un fuckboy de fou, Cruzy. J'autorise ton message oralement, bien sûr. Oui, tu t'es fait automode.
So we've got a super down here who controls bugs. Apparently they have beef with one of our farmers
Alors,
using pesticides. It's
neutraliser
getting real
l'assaillante,
biblical down here.
protéger le paysan des abeilles. Je pense que tout seul ça peut le faire.
Ain't the fucking rain.
T'aimes pas trop Flambeau moi non plus. Hein.
The streets turned into a goddamn slip and slide.
I fucking love slip and slides, bro.
I haven't seen it come down this bad in a while.
I like
C'est
it.
bon.
Feels right for today.
Fucking cool it, emo boy.
Golem est sobre, on lui a donné des tonnes de café. Oh non, il est insupportable, Flambeau. C'est le chat original. Mais c'est drôle, par contre. J'ai pas beaucoup de monde qui a de la vigueur en vrai. On va... Toi, Marlevola, tu seras vigoureuse. C'est bon. Ah, chez Sissi ça passe, fuckboy. Même parce qu'elle est VIP. Attends, on va laisser... On va finir les repos de tout le monde. Ok. L'entre-dieu s'est mis un gang à dos. Il le garde en otage. C'est qui l'entre-dieu? Et ses employés, 12 sanguinaires et une bande de méchants enfoncer les barricades. Bon, on va mettre fuckboy. Allez, on va mettre tous les deux. Eux deux, ça marche bien, je trouve. Interview controversée. Ah. Allez, Asile a récupéré sa chaise, let's go. Tu vas pouvoir t'asseoir. Alors, donnez une interview pour présenter le programme Phoenix. Convaincre le public que vous êtes devenu gentil. Attends. Ah, y'a que elle. Ah non. Voilà. Bon bah, charisma. Hein.
I'll go.
Ah.
Training helps me keep my mind off of things. I really think it can help the team too.
If there's no one else.
I'm running late to the airport. If I miss that flight, I'm fucking toast.
Of course.
Est-ce que ça marche? Oui. Allez. Quelle approche adopter? Ah. Privilégier les faits? Ah, Sonar, 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 tu me manques. Est-ce qu'il fallait être smart? Ah, putain.
Figures.
Alors, sur une mission à 4 emplacements, Courpif crée un emplacement exclusivement pour lui. Et quand Courpif est blessé, il obtient plus 2 en combat, plus 2 en vigueur. Et son temps de repos est réduit. Ouais, mais il est jamais blessé parce qu'il est trop fort en fait. Puisque ça, il ne reçoit aucun malus de blessure. Il ne peut pas tomber à terre. Mission à moins de 4 emplacements. Oh, mais on s'en sert pas de ça. Vas-y, on va mettre ça. Ok, et l'autre... Voilà, le cercle rouge, là, c'est la mierda. Ouh, la merde. Là aussi, c'est la mierda. On n'a pas réussi. J'ai loupé une mission, c'est ça? On va jouer la sécurité.
Okay. Listen, we need to play it safe. I don't want anyone else getting hurt.
Huh? Oh, sure.
Ah oui? Et là, ça fail?
I'm going.
Y'a que lui tout seul? Allez, mon gars.
What if Chase died?
Re, c'est le Rasuka. Épisode de 7. J'ai chialé. Voilà.
I too have been concerned about the suboptimal outcome.
J'ai chialé à la fin du précédent. Allez, ça va passer ça. Eh oui.
If he dies, he'll be taken care of. That I can promise.
How do you know?
I just do. Trust me.
Girl, what the fuck even are you?
This fucking rain is flooding our neighborhood. We need this water gone.
Déterminer la cause des inondations à l'est de Torrance. Agir vite. Donc... Elle est agile? Non, pas trop en vrai. Hop là. Oh non, c'est pas ça que je voulais faire. Et si je mets... Ah là 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 là, bah oui. Si je mets ça...
Yeah, I'm sure. Indeed.
Là, on est comme ça. Allez, je maximise un peu mes chances de victoire. Ok. Ok. Alors, est-ce que ça a marché? Allez, let's go. Ok. Du coup, après, on a parlé de nos émotions, de larmes, d'extravertis, d'introvertis, tout ça, quoi. Perturbation. Nécessite Aquaboy. Ah, putain, mais oui. Que faire? Vérifier les bouches d'égout. Ouais, c'est bon. Let's go. Let's go. Ok, attendez, on va maximize quelqu'un là, qui c'est? Coupé. Miss Coupé, agilité. Enfin, mobilité. Coupé.
We need backup down here. There's a mass pile up and the tanker caught fire.
Il nous faut des renforts. Sauver les civils piégés dans des voitures, le feu s'étend malgré la pluie. Il faut le maîtriser rapidement. On va mettre Golem.
Let's go, guys.
Avec toi qui va dupliquer Golem. Ah, j'atteins pas les plus. Ça roule asile, t'inquiète. Merci d'être venu cet après-midi en tout cas. Des bisous bisous. À tantôt. Merci. Ah, j'aime beaucoup le jeu, hein, de toute façon. Il est incroyable. Bah oui, on n'avait pas le truc. Je suis trop bête, j'ai pas regardé. En plus, on va la perdre. Non, c'est bon. Ok. Ça va, ça va. Allez, là.
Okay, team.
Ok,
Good
bravo les
shift,
copains.
all things considered.
Malgré
See you tomorrow.
la dépression.
Hopefully with some good news.
Oh, patate. Moi, je vais l'appeler patate, ce chien. Une petite patate. Il marche même pas. Il se fait porter en permanence. Oula. Bah alors, les gars.
Damn, you weren't part of this, I thought. What are y'all looking at?
You've got a little.
Oh. Cheers, lad. Good looking out.
Punch up. Who threw you out the door?
No one threw me out the door, Robert.
Oh my god. Are you concussed? Are you gaslighting me? I just saw you fall from...
I kicked him through the door.
Okay, cool. Now that we got all of the details clear, why?
That's just a difference of opinion. I got heated, got in Golem's face. He had every right to punt me through the wall.
Right, it's a door, and I doubt you were actually in his face.
More like ankle, which made him easier to kick.
What the fuck is going on?
We want her out. We voted. It was nearly unanimous.
I abstained from voting as I am neither human nor reformed villain, nor particularly interested in this conversation.
Il me fait beaucoup rire lui quand même.
We were playing Magic the Gathering.
Plus il a l'air d'aller mieux.
I am hoping we still may.
Who wants her to stay?
Golem. Bah oui.
But
Ils sont besties besties.
team is more important than any one of us, so
Mais pourquoi vous voulez la sortir?
I won't stand in the way.
You could have led with that.
I feel the same as Golem. You all let me back in when you didn't have to. But I won't make you keep someone you want gone.
We heard about the suspension bullshit. It ain't enough, Robert. Not for what she did. To put everything we've been building at risk, and for what? I like the bitch, but she gotta go.
And by go, we mean cut. Just like you cut Sona.
Je voulais pas, je voulais
No one
pas.
wants to say it's also her.
Je voulais pas cut Sonar, je voulais cut personne, moi. L'extraterrestre est très drôle, il s'appelle Phénoméman. Incroyable.
But I'm proud of all of you. How far you've come.
Ben oui. Peut-être.
A few months ago, you wouldn't have been in a room like this discussing the needs of the Z team, and if you did, there'd be a lot more than one broken door.
Ah, speech.
But
Pep talk.
I'm not
Ressouffle.
in Visigal. We don't kick people when they're down. We lift them up, and I believe of her when I believe of all of you that her heart is in the right place. It's what took us from being a team to being this weird, fucked up family. Look, you're hurting. Okay, I get it. I'm hurting. We are all hurting. Now isn't the time to cast blame.
No.
It's the time to come together
Yes.
and heal.
And heal together. Ah, le moral est en baisse. Oh non! Elle vient d'entrer dans la pièce. Ou elle vient d'en partir. Enlève-moi cette chemise. Allez, ça y est, t'as fini le boulot là. Hein.
Why? First time we met, you were in your underwear. Fitting, right? Last time you see me, that I'd be in mine? I really do appreciate you defending me, but you shouldn't. Listen to your team. They don't want me here.
Vizzy, they'll come around. You just gotta give them some time. Look, you went in knowing the risks. What you were willing to put on the line to help me. What you didn't know was what Chase was willing to put on the line for you. And so please don't throw all of that away by walking away from this.
Bah oui.
From us.
They're right. I don't deserve anyone's forgiveness. Anyone's help, anyone's
Présente
love.
tes excuses déjà si tu veux te faire pardonner. On en parlait tout à l'heure.
Nothing I do will ever make up for what I've already done to you. I'd hoped getting the astral pulse back would help, but I couldn't even do that.
Vizzy, you don't owe anyone anything, okay? Least of all me.
I was there that night.
What are you saying?
What night?
I never
Boobs.
always did my own thing, but my asthma was getting worse, and they had an
Elle
augment
était du
that could
cercle
increase
rouge.
my lung capacity. Only catch is I'd have to work for them, paying down for years.
Ah putain, elle a participé à la chute. Ah, le Sgegos originel. La bite. Pardon.
Then one day Shroud came to me and said I could have the whole damn cleared if I was able to do one thing. Place a bomb on the back of Mecha Man undetected.
C'est elle.
Good news, buddy. Ralph says he just wants the Astro Pulse, which we all know isn't really yours anyway.
C'est elle. Oui, je me souviens de ce plan. Il y avait la Soige.
I quit the moment I placed it. I walked out before it even blew. My augments conveniently stopped working. So I signed up for the Phoenix program the next day. Which gave me the chance to fuck your life up twice.
Peut-être prendre 2 secondes.
I mean, I don't even know what to feel right now. So.
On va pas la dégager pour autant. Elle fait la rédemption.
Days.
Weeks, years. Yeah. I understand.
Non, c'est ça. Faut juste process un peu l'info.
All I wanted from this was for people to look at me the same way that you look at Blazer. Even if it was just once.
Blazer,
you know?
ah, oh non. Je l'aime pas du tout. I have a bad feeling about her.
You see me right now.
Elle est corporate. J'aime pas.
Like I'm incapable of good.
C'est toi. Oui. Pas lui, c'est elle qui l'aime. Oh, c'est Malévola. Pardon. Malévola, j'ai dit, si elle la voyait, elle dirait direct, marche-moi dessus. Meuf musclée là, ça là. Et donc, il fait caca doré celui-là? C'est un Korogu? Il est magique, peut-être? Oh. Ma patate. Il est trop mignon. Driving under the rain. Oh no, driving. La presse. On n'a pas le temps. Faut communiquer à la presse, c'est ça? J'ai pas envie qu'on balance... Bah oui, on dit que c'est un héros. C'est soit on disait que c'était un héros, soit que l'autre c'était une nouille, c'est ça? Non, arrête de nous draguer, la corporate woman. Taxi under the rain. Cacahuète.
I mean, I hope they all die. I'm serious. Any dumbass walking into a trap that fucking stupid should have the plug pulled right now. Just pillows over faces.
Oh man, have you seen what the poison does to their faces? They get all red and puffy. Damn. All right.
J'enlève cette chemise.
I'm sorry, it's my fault. I've been distracting you.
Un autre verre.
Get me another drink. I smashed mine.
Sure. You all right? You seem perturbed.
Perturbed.
Fuck. I know what's going on. Kid probably lost someone there. That's why he's been staring at that shit all night. Get him a drink on me.
Le temps dit ferme ta gueule. Je sais pas, j'ai pas suivi. En vrai.
Nah, this one's on me.
Ok. Bière. Qu'est-ce que c'est lui? Qu'est-ce qu'il a comme pouvoir?
Oh my.
Trackstar. That guy sucks. I was fast, but now I'm old. Get fucked.
Attention quand même ce que vous dites sur
Cheers,
Chase. Hein.
fellas, to the fucking dream. To 5 minutes with the tightest ass in all of LA County.
LA County, c'est le comté d'LA. Il avait raison, Vasile.
Right. End up blowing air right up her butthole. What's up? You don't like asses?
Il est juste. Il est juste.
What's up with this guy?
Hey, I'm great at predicting things.
Okay.
I can't believe he let that go.
Okay, now I don't know what he's talking about. Freckles, you mind telling me what's going on?
I respect her. Blazer. Real fucking superhero. I know we're in a villain bar, but have some class, you know?
Du coup, qui va se
If you're gonna blow
servir
some fucker's brains out, non-slip mats are a must. Need some for the hideout. Feels silly calling it a hideout. Can you take care of him for me? Obviously, you two don't need an introduction.
I've been waiting for this.
Your dad.
C'était sûr qu'on allait avoir des problèmes avec lui. Je voulais le garder, moi.
Team of turncoats. You think you can beat the bad by being good, but there's no solving human nature. You can't stop evil.
Du coup, il est allé du côté de Spectre. Ah là 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 là.
This isn't working.
I thought you wanted revenge.
Spectre, il est à côté de Doctor Doom. Je crois que je vois pas qui c'est Doctor Doom.
Kept it in his locker, fully loaded. 6 shots. He couldn't have predicted I'd use it to kill him. The first bullet grazed his shoulder. I hadn't adjusted to the adrenaline spike. The second hit his upper chest. The third burst his heart.
Parle comme il a tué son père, là?
He's lying on the floor, eyes full of fear, when I put the fourth through his face. Bit of a waste to put the fifth through that idiot's skull, but I wanted to make sure it worked after all these years.
Ah, les méchants des 4 fantastiques, quoi. Je connais pas. En vrai, je suis pas très truc de super-héros. Mais là, comme je joue, c'est pas pareil, quoi.
And now, there's a 16.5% chance it touches you next. Your invisible girlfriend stole my astral pulse to give it to you. Where the fuck is it? Mega Man. Heroes are the past. With the pulse, I'll control this city and restore balance.
Ah.
Bro.
Moi, je t'ai craché dessus, c'était pas très joli, finalement.
This is why I hate luck.
On sait pas faire ça. On est un vrai gentil.
Had it wide, I let you string me up like a fucking piñata. She didn't get the pulse.
Bah non, c'est toi qui la récup. Il a pris la
You
mallette.
actually believe that? Show him. Invisibitch has the pulse. That I know. What I don't know is why she didn't give it to you. She played you too. Here I am thinking she's working with you, but she's fucking us both. She didn't take it for you. She took it for herself.
Elle a peut-être ramené au copain qui le refait l'armure. Non, je crois en elle. Golem. Ah.
The blonde blazer. I fired the bartender, but I can still get you something to drink.
No, thank you.
And to what do I owe the pleasure?
I'm here for him. In 5 minutes, this bar will be surrounded by SDN agents, heroes, and whoever else you and your ring have pissed off recently, which happens to be every gang in Los Angeles. Now, if...
Oh, shit.
Not disrespect one of the last true heroes. Sorry about that. If they weren't shit, you wouldn't have cut them. You were saying?
I can see I'm outnumbered.
Tout le monde dit que c'est la last true hero.
I would fall. But by my read, I'm taking a lot of you with me. So all of you can leave now. Or half of you can die here.
Oh wow. Elle envoie du sax, hein. Okay, girl.
Oh, that's a fucking superhero. Chills. Top notch. You made them nervous. Okay, we're out of here. Take your piss-soaked pants out the
Ouais,
back.
petit côté Captain Marvel de fou. J'adore Captain Marvel. J'ai quand même regardé quelques Avengers, enfin quelques Marvel. Après en avoir vu 3, tu les as tous vus en vrai.
Time, Blazer. But it's coming sooner than you think. Oh. And by my calculations, it was closer to 32%. But half sounds better.
You were bluffing.
About the backup? Yeah.
Jamais vu Blade.
About taking out half of them? I don't think I was.
Vraiment, il y a des trucs que j'ai jamais vus. Je suis passé un peu à côté de certaines sagas et tout, certains classiques. Du coup, j'ai pas vu. Mais oui, il a bluffé, je pense.
He really tenderized you. Are you sure he's right about Invisigal?
Yeah. I saw the footage.
What is her play?
Ils sont revenus à leur
Why wouldn't she tell you if she has
première
it?
rencontre.
I don't understand what she would want it for unless she's trying to keep you out of the suit.
J'ai fait
What matters
confiance.
is I trust her.
Oui.
I think you're more optimistic than I am.
You're probably right.
Ouais, je connais pas du tout Cozy.
Sit here for like a few weeks, then I'll be right as rain.
Surtout le premier 98, c'est très Matrix comme style. Faudrait que je tente un jour. On verra.
See, when the pain's constant, it's easier to get used to.
That goes for physical and emotional.
Ow. Really is nice up here. Thank you. Don't remember if I've thanked you before, but
About 50 times. You were muttering it the whole flight.
then I take it back.
You should know I was going to take you to the actual Hollywood sign. Not
Mais
as
oui, je sais pas pourquoi j'ai
sturdy
dit
as
Asie qu'on était pas. Los Angeles, on a vu le pas d'Hollywood, je suis trop bête. Écoute, Torrance, c'est quoi? C'est un quartier? Peut-être c'est un quartier. Bon, c'est la merde apparemment. Il y a tout qui pète, il y a tout qui pète. Ça, c'est le cercle rouge, ça. Aïe 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 aïe. Ah, Sgegman. Exhibman. Ouh là 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 là. C'était la mierda. C'est la fin de l'épisode, je pense.
Hey. You're not leaving me here again.
Musique de héros. Ouais, c'est bien l'ascension, c'est le Rasuka. Grosse gégos là. Pardon, je m'y mets la sgoug. Il était un peu plus calme cet épisode. Et des enjeux que j'ai pas compris là. Attendez. Hop là. Aaron Paul. Alors, patate. 69% des joueurs et vous avez refusé de renvoyer un Vizibaf. Excusez-moi. 22% des joueurs et vous n'avez pas su quoi répondre. Bah oui, c'est normal. 61% des joueurs et vous choisissez des Twinkies. Bah oui, je vais pas prendre un cigare ou une bière, c'était un enfant. 47% des joueurs n'ont pas attaqué le barman. 97% des joueurs ont sauvé Golem de lui-même. 21% des joueurs ont choisi de jouer la sécurité contre le cercle rouge. Qu'est-ce que j'ai fait pour jouer la sécurité? I don't know. Ah, Prisme. Bah oui, elle multiplie tout le monde. J'ai fait mieux que 30% des joueurs. J'ai activé les pouvoirs d'un héros 13 fois. Très bien. Donc un épisode plus calme. J'ai pas compris tous les enjeux, surtout le monsieur là qui a tué le barman. J'ai pas trop compris, j'avoue. Peut-être qu'on va comprendre devant le dernier épisode. OMG, le final.